Hi, I'm Tim Morrissey, and today we're going to explore why disaster recovery and business continuity, while related, are not interchangeable terms. First, let's define these terms. Disaster recovery focuses specifically on restoring IT systems and data after a disaster. This includes everything from recovering lost files to getting servers back online. On the other hand, business continuity encompasses a broader scope. It involves maintaining essential business functions and minimizing downtime, even in the face of disruptions. Now, disaster recovery is a critical part of your IT strategy. It involves technical solutions like data backups, system restores, and ensuring that your critical applications are up and running as quickly as possible after a disruption. Business continuity, however, is a much broader term. It ensures that your business can continue operating during and after a disaster. This includes having contingency plans for workforce management, communication strategies, and alternative operational procedures. At IMS Solutions, you don't have to choose between disaster recovery and business continuity. We offer a comprehensive security and continuity solution set that covers both areas. Our services include proactive monitoring and management to prevent disruptions, data backup and recovery to safeguard your information, and detailed continuity planning to keep your business running smoothly no matter what happens. Our tailored approach ensures that all aspects of your IT infrastructure are protected and resilient. With IMS Solutions, you get the peace of mind of knowing that both your IT systems and business operations are safeguarded against any potential threats. Consult with IMS Solutions today to learn how we can help you integrate disaster recovery and business continuity into a cohesive, effective strategy for your organization. Visit our website or contact us directly to get started. Thank you.